Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw this lightning bolt. You'll need a paper and pencil, a black marker and a yellow marker. And remember, you can always pause the video if it goes too fast. First, take your pencil and draw two straight lines next to each other like this. Connect them to the top. Extend the left line to the top. Extend the right line to the bottom. Add a little line to the left and connect it to the top. And add a little line to the right and connect it to the bottom. And great, our sketch is finished. Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines. Just trace the outside of the lightning bolt like this. And finally, erase the pencil lines and color the lightning bolt with your yellow marker. And we are finished. Great job everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Drawing Duckling for more fun drawing tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.